Hello everyone and welcome back to our chemistry learning series. Today we are diving into a very important topic in chemistry, and that is framing formulae. In chemistry, a formula tells us exactly what a substance is made of, the elements involved, and the ratio in which their atoms combine. Whether it is a simple compound like water or a more complex one like aluminium sulfate, knowing how to correctly frame a chemical formula is essential for understanding chemical reactions, balancing equations, even calculating some quantities like molar mass. Framing formula is a must. So in this video, we will be learning how to use valencies, the crisscross method, and simple rules to frame the correct formula of some ionic compounds. So, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to confidently write chemical formulas quickly and accurately, just like a real chemist. So, let's get started. Now, before we dive into the framing of formulas, you just need to know some very basic four simple steps. And I'm trying to keep this lesson as easy as possible. So, there are some steps which you need to follow in order to frame the formula. The first step is for any formula you need to know the symbol, so you have to write the symbol. Then you are going to look for the valency. Then if the valency for both the elements are same, what you do, you can do cancel the valency. Okay, and if the valency is different for both the elements, you're going to switch the valencies. You switch. Now these four rules will make sense when we do one question. So let's have a look at one of the questions. So I say, frame a formula for sodium chloride. So sodium chloride formula you have to make, right? Most of you must be knowing the formula of sodium chloride. It's NaCl, obviously. But how do we frame it? Using these following four steps. So first thing is, we are going to write the symbols. So we will open the periodic table and we will look for the symbols. So sodium is Na and chloride is Cl. When we write a non-metal in an ionic formula, the non-metal name changes to IDE. This is also one of the rule of naming the chemical formulas. So chlorine becomes chloride. So your first step is done, symbol. Second step, valency. Sodium belongs to group 1, so its valency is 1. Chlorine belongs to group 7, its valency is 1. Now, those who don't know about valency, or those who don't have any idea about how I got 1 for both, just have a look. So how many groups are there in the periodic table? 8. And valency goes something like this: 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 0. You need to memorize this, very important. So group 1 elements will have valency 1, group 2 will have 2, 3 will have 3, 4 will have 4, 5 will gain 3 electrons, 6 will gain 2, 7 will gain 1, and 8 they don't lose, they don't gain, they are stable noble gases. So this is how the valency trend follows along with the group. So now the third point says, if the valency is same for both, you cancel the valency. Once you cancel the valency, so answer will be NaCl, and that's your formula for sodium chloride. Let's look at one more example. Calcium bromide. First step, write the symbol for both. Look for the valency. Calcium belongs to group 2, so valency 2. Bromine belongs to group 7, valency 1. Now, the rule 4 says if the valency is different, you have to switch the valencies. So how you're going to switch the valencies? Calcium's valency goes to bromine and bromine goes to calcium. That's why you get calcium bromide. So Ca1 Br2. We don't show 1. Okay? Aluminium oxide. What's the formula? So basically aluminium is Al and oxygen oxide is O. Aluminium belongs to group 3, valency is 3. Oxygen belongs to group 6, valency is 2. Now valencies are not same, so you're going to switch the valencies. Aluminium will take oxygen's valency, oxygen will take aluminium valency, and the answer is Al2O3. So this is how we frame the formula. You get my point? So these are the basically easy, simple ionic formulas to frame. I hope you got the idea. These 4 rules are very simple, very easy. You won't find anywhere else. These are my rules which I have made just to make chemistry easy. So hope you like this video, and I hope this will help you to get what you're looking for. So thank you for joining, and if you like this, please do like, share and comment. Thank you so much.